What we do in drug product services is not magic or some kind of science fiction. What we do is science fact.
We are at the final stage in an end-to-end process that takes the fight to life-threatening illnesses.
We develop formulations and processes, manufacture and test non-clinical, clinical, as well as commercial suppliers for the drug treatments our customers take to market to meet some of the greatest challenges in patient treatment around the world.
We are more than 600 dynamic, talented people drawn from all corners of the world, coming together to work closely with clinicians and customers to create ideas, apply innovation, and make our mark on the world.
It means a career of opportunity, of growth, of autonomy, and real responsibility. It means having a positive impact in a culture that is more like a startup than a global business.
It means making a meaningful difference to the lives of thousands of people. What we do in drug product services is make the drugs work to their maximum potential and enable our customers to help save lives.